Hello, my friends. Guess what? Some big Sunday is coming up pretty soon, and Kenny and I were thinking, and I was like, I'll watch probably, but I'm not so sure, but I want something more fun to do that day. Well, guess what? On that special Sunday, we are going to have a free online event. Yes, another one. Can you believe it? 2 in 1 week. Online event, raffles, chat, demonstration, new products, and flash sale prices. Now, it will not take away from the big other thing that's happening that day. Don't worry. So we're going to do it at 2 p.m. Pacific, 5 p.m. Eastern time. That's going to guarantee that you have plenty of time to go see that other thing that's on TV. And we are going to have some crafty time beforehand. Okay, hello, is that awesome or what? 2 p.m. Pacific time, 5 p.m. Eastern time on special Sunday. You know the day. I'm not allowed to say the words. Apparently, I'm not allowed, whatever. But you know what I'm talking about. It's going to be so much fun. We're going to have a blast. And you know what? It's free. It's fun. We're going to have a blast. I will see you there Sunday, special Sunday, whatever you want to call it. Super Sunday. I think I'm allowed to say that. 2 o'clock Pacific, 5 p.m. Eastern. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.